Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sort your bookmarks alphabetically in Google Chrome. If you've been saving bookmarks for a while, your list can get pretty messy and disorganized. Sorting them alphabetically makes it much easier to find what you're looking for quickly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. This will expand a submenu showing all your bookmark-related options. Chrome organizes all your saved pages and folders through this section, so it's where you'll manage everything related to your bookmarks. Next, from the submenu that opens up, click on Open Bookmark Manager. This action will take you to a dedicated page where you can view, organize, and manage all of your saved bookmarks in one place. The Bookmark Manager gives you full control over your entire collection, making it easy to sort, edit, or delete any bookmarks you no longer need. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, look again at the upper right corner of this page. You'll notice another set of 3 vertical dots there. Click on these dots to open another menu. This menu contains sorting and organizational options specifically for your bookmarks, allowing you to customize how they're displayed. From this new menu, click on Sort by Name. This is the key action that will organize all your bookmarks alphabetically. Chrome will instantly rearrange your entire bookmark list, putting everything in alphabetical order from A to Z. This makes it significantly easier to locate any specific bookmark without having to scroll through a random, unorganized list. And that's it. Your bookmarks are now sorted alphabetically, making them much more manageable and easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.